Well, I was reminded the other day that I haven't done an annual update on the crown rust proofing test on my bin, my scrap bin here. We started this on the 19th of August 2020, and today it is the 24th of September 2023. And you can probably see here there's a few rust spots and things like this, but it hasn't really got all that much worse when it's been out here all the time. So that's just a little update on that. But what we're going to do now is have a look at the wire wool that's attached to the back of my pickup. So if you remember, I attached some wire wool to the back of my pickup and drove it around. Now it's been 3 years. So we can see here the control now has gone completely. That's gone. This is the engine oil. That's on its way. This is the crown rust proofing. It's just getting a little bit of light rust on the top. Now believe me, with the garbage, with the with the scrap bin and here, I've not retouched them at all. This is as it was 3 years ago. So that's just going a little bit. But remember, crown rust proofing is an annual thing. This one here was WD-40, and remarkably it's done quite well. I was quite surprised. The next one is a product called Honey Goo, and that's done very well. And also up here, fluid film. Now fluid film has no rust on it at all, so I think it's going to be now top marks to fluid film. But it is a sticky product, whereas this one, it does need annual treatment, and I think it still would be good, but it's not too bad. So there we are, that's just a little update. So when people put in engine oil on chassis and body panels and stuff like this, it doesn't always last. But again, it's better than nothing.